Hello.
What the?
Hey. I can pat your head.
Bye.
What the fuck?
Oh. He's not going too fast.
Is he doing the repel animation?
Yes.
No. You're going to kill me. Eddie.
I give you a present.
My leg.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Superman.
It's a bird.
That fucking recording.
It's a bird. It's a plane. Oh no, it's Kevin. It looks like you're.
Kevin.
Crikey, you can see the wild Kevin in his natural habitat. Where the fuck did? Oh, there he is. That's a bird. Where the? Oh. Crikey. Hello.
My God, you were so close saying that.
Like, you legit look like Superman right now.
Do another flyby.
No, because then you're gonna blow me up. I bet you're gonna blow me up. I like how that only hit, like, damaged my instruments.
What the fuck?
Superman died.
Holy shit! Just straight into the building.
Dick?
Oh my God, look at the wreck, dude.
No.
No, just look at it, seriously.
No.
Rip
Wait, I'm
Superman.
gonna go get in a mod car. A car in a mod.